Hello everybody, this is Ian once again from Millington Custom Software. I'm doing a recording or video today of a spreadsheet I've created here, and what it does is you sometimes might want to know how far or how long it would be to get from one place to another, and a pretty common way of doing that would be to go to Google Maps, net or on a smartphone, and enter your origin and destination. So you might be going from, Denver, Colorado to Denver International Airport, like this. And Google will tell you it's a 24.9 mile drive, taking 45 minutes, and you could do it that way. You could do a web search and there's your answer. However, you may want to do this programmatically in a Excel spreadsheet, and do this for hundreds of addresses and destinations without having to manually go and do a web search on Google Maps for each one. And you can do that. So Google provides an API, which is jargon for basically a function or a website which just you can query it and then it sends you the information back in an easy to decipher format, and you can look at that, and software can then interpret the data or interpret the information it's provided and give you an answer. And that's what this spreadsheet here does, is it sends a query to the Google Maps API and gets the information back from it that it needs, these two bits of information being the distance and time, or travel time, current expected travel time for that particular query. So for example, let's do it again. I'm going to put Denver, Colorado, and then I'm going to put Denver International Airport, and I'm going to press on this command button I created that's going to execute this procedure. And it tells me it's 30 minutes and 41.8 kilometers. Now I do have a unit converter here for those who are, because 41.8 kilometers doesn't mean a whole lot when you're in the United States. So if I do it again, Google will send me back a result of it's also 26 miles. Now if you're in my hometown of Perth, I'm going to be specific here and say Perth, WA, Australia, because WA means Washington, if you're depending where you are. And let's say you were traveling to Fremantle, lovely Fremantle. Go back to kilometers, because we're talking kilometers when we're outside the United States. And current travel time and distance between Perth and Fremantle is it's 33 minutes. It's a distance of 21 kilometers. I mean, you can extend this as much as you want, so I might again do from Perth to Sydney in Australia if I wanted to make that trip right now. And that's a 1 day, 16-hour trip for 3,934 kilometers. I can tell you it's going to take actually more than 1 day and 16 hours. That's just the driving time. It's about a 4-day drive if you go at it pretty hard. But yeah, using this technique, if you're in Excel and you want this information in Excel or some sort of software, you can use it to talk directly to Google, get the information back from Google in a matter of a fraction of a second, and display it however you might wish in an Excel spreadsheet or an application. It's just a matter of your imagination as how you may want this information to be used. Anyway, thanks for watching my video, and I'll talk to you next time.